Welcome to the Moiz and Zahra channel where we teach you math. Smash those like and subscribe buttons and let's get started. So today we're going to learn about the median and how to solve for the median. So let's start.
What is median?
Oh, so median is like trying to find the middle. That's why it's called median. So you find the average or just like the mean. Remember the mean? So it's just like that. You basically find the middle of the set of numbers that are given. And the first step. Okay, let's start now, okay?
And one more question. How do you solve for the median?
So what you do is, here, let me give you an example. So let's do 1, 2, 5, 7, and 8. So for the median, you always list them in from smallest to largest, okay? You always list them in that order, okay? So this is not in smallest to largest. So you set them up like that, and then you find the median. So how many numbers are there? 5, right? And 5 only has one middle, right? And there are 2 to the side and 2 to the side. So then our median will be 5. But if it's like 6 numbers, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, those are 6 numbers. So there will be 2 medians. So there are 2 to the side and 2 to the side. So 3 and 4, you add both of them, okay? So because there are 6 numbers and we don't have a single median, you try to find the median off of these 2 numbers. So you add both of them, okay?
7.
We get 7, and then you divide it by the number you have. Divided by 2, and we get 3.5, and that is our median. So 3.5 would have been our median, okay? Do you understand? Okay, now let's erase all that. And that. And now let's start on these, okay? Let's order them from least to greatest, okay? So what's the lowest one you can find? 4, right? And then what's after 4?
6.
Are you sure? Okay. 5.
6.
And then
7.
7. And then 9,
12.
and then 12,
23.
and then 23, and then, is that all? Okay, so now let's find the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 numbers, so there will be only one median, which is 7. And we have our answer right here. 7 is the median, okay? That's good, right? Okay, now let's go on to the next one. Erase out that. Let's move on to the next one. Can you find the smallest one?
1.
1,
23.
23,
34.
34,
34.
another?
Yeah.
Okay, 34,
63.
63,
65.
65,
75.
and 75, right? Is that all?
Yeah.
75. So let's find the median of these. There's 7 numbers, so there'll be only one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be our median. 34 is our median, okay? 34 is our median. Let's go on to the next one. Can you tell me the smallest one?
1.
1,
2.
2,
3.
3,
42.
42,
63. 87.
63,
87.
and 87. Let's find the median. So since there are only 6, there will be 2 of them. It's these 2. So we'll add both of these. We'll get 45. And let's bring up our calculator. So 45 divided by, how much is it? 2, right? And we get 22.5. So our median will be 22.5. Let's write that down. 22.5 will be our median. Is that good? Let's erase all of that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, now can you tell me the smallest one from these?
2,
Okay, let's write down 2,
4,
4,
14,
14,
58,
58,
63,
63,
78.
78. Is that the last one?
No, 84.
78 and 84, right? 84. Okay,
58.
so, yep, 58 is our median. That was so simple. 58. Let's move on. And our last one. Can you tell me the smallest one there is?
9,
9,
16,
16,
25,
25,
52,
52,
63,
63,
64,
64,
86.
and 86. Yeah, that fits in. Okay, let's find our median. It would be 52, right? Let's write it down. What is it? 52. And we're done. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.
Isn't that simple?
Bye.
Bye. Smash those like and subscribe buttons, and thank you for watching.